Hello, let's learn some colors. Brown, black, orange, yellow, green, red, blue, light blue. Look how beautiful, awesome. Let's draw numbers with ball. So interesting to hear. Let's start. Yellow color.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
Orange.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yellow. Green.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
Light blue.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Sign blue.
Why won't you sing with me?
Indigo.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
Brown.
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next
Pink.
time, won't you sing with me?
Green. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8 balls, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look how beautiful. Bye. Thank you for watching.